Hey everybody, this is Matt here. It looks like Clipchamp has made a few changes that I want to go through with you here. I'm going to click the sign in icon here. I'm on clipchamp.com and I'm just going to try to go through these now. But just bear with me, I'm kind of new to this myself. Okay, we can see here, hello Matt, Clipchamp just got better for creators. Now you can edit from anywhere on supported devices. Share your videos with confidence. Keep your content secure and protected. Welcome to the video editor that is now more powerful, connected, and secure than ever. I'm simply going to click continue here. And you can see, okay, we have the option here. Edit anywhere and store safely to help you edit across devices and collaborate with others. Your new projects will be saved to OneDrive. This keeps your content safer and easy to access on different computers. Clipchamp projects offer you more flexibility than other documents because your media, such as videos, images, and audio, can all remain on your device unless you choose to back them up. Okay, I'm not going to click to learn more there. Okay, I think I'm just going to go through this. Check below to see where your past projects will be saved or explore more options. OneDrive, videos, Clipchamp. Okay, I'm going to click the more options here, okay? And I'm going to click store on local disk. And I'm going to do that. Store your past projects on your local disk instead of OneDrive. Okay, if you choose to store projects locally, they won't appear in the Clipchamp app. Projects must be saved to OneDrive to stay editable. You'll need 1.92 megabytes of free space on your local disk. Okay, so I'm going to do that. Okay, now what I'm not necessarily recommending this, guys, because you're going to have a fair bit of space in your system. Make sure you have enough hard drive space, but that's simply what I'm going to do. So I'm going to click on understand. I need to upload my project files to OneDrive to edit them. So I'm now going to choose a folder. So I'm simply going to go to my C drive here. I'm going to click the desktop here. Actually, I'm going to scroll down and click this PC, Windows C here, and I'm just simply going to create a new folder. I'm just going to call it Clipchamp Projects. Now this is what I'm going to do, okay guys? I'm not necessarily recommending this, but just saying this is what I'm going to do, okay? Perfect. Allow this site to view and copy files. I'm going to allow. Okay. So saving your past Clipchamp projects to your local disk. This process may take some time depending on your number of projects and your internet speed. Please keep the window open until the process is complete. You can return to editing very soon. Okay, so this is just what I'm going to do, okay? I'm not 100% recommending it, but it probably is your best option. But I'm, again, like I said, it's up to you. But this is certainly what I'm going to do. I'm going to save to the local drive. Okay, you can see some older projects couldn't be saved to this device. A few older projects couldn't be saved to this device due to compatibility issues. We've created a text file with with the details in the same folder as your other projects. Contact support if you need help recovering them. That's not that important from myself. As I always say, you should try to back up your files when making edits and stuff, when editing your videos, and always remember the finished export is what's most important, I think, really. Okay, so I'm just simply going to click continue to Clipchamp home. Okay, perfect. There you go. I've gone through that now. And it looks like, yes, you can see they've deleted most of my older projects that are locally stored now. I'm just going to go have a look. I'm going to open a folder here. I'm going to click Windows C here. And Clipchamp projects. And you can see there's nothing in there. So, my goodness, that was awesome, wasn't it? But anyway, there you go. It's nothing. I'm not really concerned. As I said, I mean, always when you do your editing, you export the video, the finished project, and you have the exported video, which is what you're going to post to your video sharing site or your social media. So that's fine. But there you go. That's kind of scary. But I guess I'm ready to start a new project. But as I always say, try to back up your video files when you're putting them through Clipchamp. Whenever you import media into the Clipchamp project, it's always a good idea to back them up either to OneDrive or any other storage. OneDrive is, of course, Microsoft's. And as I've said before, Clipchamp.com is owned and operated by Microsoft. There you go. I'm a little bit bewildered as to what just happened there. I think they did actually delete my project files. So anyway, there you go. Try to save them to the local disk is what I did. I'm not going to recommend anything. You're going to have to. I'll just walk through this with you. You're going to have to figure this one out for yourselves. But I recommend. But the most important thing for me to say here, this is a great example. You're going to have to back up your video files, okay? When you're editing your videos on Clipchamp, you have to back them up, okay? Anyway, thanks for watching and thanks for your time.